Bullish Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.013242 and $0.025013 by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach $0.010299 by 2025. Bearish Smooth Love Mixture market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.002354. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) presentation. With regards to play to acquire games, axie boundlessness captures everyone's attention. As the main NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago. Alongside the NFT blast, axie boundlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping it close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. DAO. Axie boundlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system: Smooth Love Mixtures (SLPs) and axie endlessness shards (axes). Essentially, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the interim, axes is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities, and depository subsidizes spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in axie boundlessness's biological system. Furthermore, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is axie endlessness? Axie boundlessness advocate the play-to-procure interactivity model, wherein players are compensated by essentially investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates axie limitlessness from the vast majority of the present conventional closed-circled games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to passage was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the meantime, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can undoubtedly dish out the assets expected to purchase axies, yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole pushed the grant and organization programs. Through an axie grant, the administrator or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player, researcher, will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure and axie boundlessness permit their patrons to receive a portion of the benefits. Smooth Love Elixir is as of now worth $0.002943 United States dollars. SLP has moved 0.25% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,483,708. Smooth Love Mixture is presently positioned 233 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $124,975,752 United States dollars. At present, Sky Mavis is occupied with restoring its picture and tending to the hack that tormented its framework and thusly, axie vastness. It is presently offering a bug abundance to detect any weaknesses in its savvy agreements or web-related frameworks. Likewise, white cap programmers will get somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1 million, relying upon the seriousness of every weakness found. In the meantime, bugs in the application or web connection points will be compensated with $15,000. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) value forecast 2023. Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. SLP. The SLP cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.004414. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous. However, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.00412 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.003531. Smooth Love Elixir SLP, Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.007357. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the SLP's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.005885 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.006474. Smooth Love Elixir SLP, Value Expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.010299, and SLP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.009417 and a low of $0.008828 in 2025. Smooth Love Mixture SLP, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Smooth Love Elixir effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.013242 with a base cost of $0.011771 and a typical cost of $0.012359. Smooth Love Elixir SLP, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.015302 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.014713 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a most extreme value worth of $0.016185. Smooth Love Mixture SLP, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.018245. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.019127. Neglecting to accumulate the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.017656. Smooth Love Mixture SLP, Value Forecast 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.